Welcome back guys. So we have another very fun tutorial today, and that is basically how you can put a text behind a person. It is way simpler than you think. Let's delete these so that we could make it from the start. So basically the first thing you have to do is select this person and cut them out. Put them on a separate layer by pressing Ctrl J. So we will select the quick selection tool. Let's zoom in a little. The brush is very big, we will make it smaller, and instead of minus we will put it to plus, and then we will start making selection. And for this image the selection doesn't even have to be very perfect, but we will try our best. Let's zoom out a little. Select minus now because we have selected some extra area. Let's remove this, and with the plus we will select the rest of them. Select the rest of the person, and you can see because of the similar contrast it is selecting other things too, so we will deselect them later on. So this is all right. Okay, so we have a lot of extra areas now. We will select the minus one and we will simply click between them on these areas basically. Let's click over here too, plus over here, and minus over here. For this area we will have to zoom in a little. Control or command plus, make the brush smaller, and simply just deselect these areas. Select the plus one and select these areas. So this looks decent. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we have to make sure that this area is also gone, minus, and this area. Okay, this looks good. Control minus. So you have selected the person, and all you have to do is just press Ctrl J on the keyboard, J for Joker, Control or Command J, and you can see that this person is on another layer. If we hide this layer, he is on another layer now. Let's turn it back on. Now we will select the text tool and write some text over here. Let's change the font to Pantone. I really like this font, and let's write something work. Make it a little bigger, quite big, and change its color to white. Also, if you have two colors over here, you can simply invert them. So we have text over here. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, so here is the fun part. Since we already made a selection of our subject, this is the subject basically, and we put him on another layer. So all we have to do is just turn this on and put him above this layer, and just like that, how cool is this? It looks like that the text is behind him. So we can adjust it if we want. So if we zoom in a little, you can see that here are some parts which are not selected properly. So we can simply select this layer. Like if we hide it, that is also hidden, which shows that this is a part of this layer. So we will simply select the eraser tool and we can remove it. And our effect is ready. I hope you guys like this. I will see you guys in the next class.